Strawberry lovers, have you ever wondered what makes strawberries so irresistible? Is it their vibrant red color, their sweet, juicy taste, or something more? Stick around because today we are going into the world of strawberries. What exactly are they? How do they grow? And what's the best way to enjoy them? Welcome to Trans in the World, your go-to channel for all things fascinating and flavorful. Today it's all about strawberries. But first let me ask you, did you know strawberries are not technically berries? Shocking, right? We will get to that in a moment, but before we do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community for more exciting content. So what exactly are strawberries? The ones we buy from the stores are usually garden strawberries that are known scientifically as Fragaria ananassa. But there are many different types of strawberries out there, including wild strawberries. In fact, the Fragaria group includes 20 different species found all around the world. From the Fragaria yazonensis in Northeast Asia to the Fragaria daltoniana in Himalayas, strawberries are truly considered as a global fruit. But the most common type we see is the Fragaria ananassa. So why are not strawberries considered berries? Strawberries are technically not berries. From a botanical standpoint, they are classified as aggregate accessory fruits. This means the fruit flesh grows from the receptacle of the flower, not from the ovaries. You can tell because the seeds are on the outside, unlike the true berries like blueberries. Now let's talk about how strawberries are grown. At home, you can plant them using seeds, but most commercial strawberries are grown using fruit plants or plugs from runners. These runners spread out and take up space, so you need to manage them well in your garden. Commercially, strawberries are often grown using a plastic culture system. The soil is covered with plastic to prevent weeds and keep it warm. That promotes its growth. Some farms even use hay or plastic tunnels to extend the growing season. Harvesting strawberries is a delicate process. It is done by hand, and since strawberries don't ripen after being picked, they need to be fully ripe before they are harvested. They are only rinsed with water just before you eat them. Not only do strawberries taste amazing, but they are also packed with health benefits. Strawberries are quite sweet with about 8% sugar content. That is higher than bilberries and tomatoes, but lower than grapes. It is just another reason why they are so delicious. Now let's get to the fun part, cooking with strawberries. You can enjoy them fresh with cream or as a delicious jam, but there are so many creative ways to use strawberries in your cooking. How about trying strawberries with balsamic vinegar and goat cheese? Or a strawberry milkshake? Let's start with a simple yet elegant recipe: strawberries with balsamic vinegar and goat cheese. For this, cut the strawberries in halves and quarters. Add some balsamic vinegar and let them marinate. Then pair each piece of strawberry with a bite-sized piece of goat cheese and a sprinkle of black pepper. It's a flavor explosion. For a fun twist, try an ice pop cocktail. Mix white rum, lime juice, and simple syrup. Add some fresh strawberries and a slice of lime to your glass. Then strain the mixture over it. Top with a strawberry ice pop for a refreshing drink. Besides being delicious, strawberries are incredibly healthy. They are a fantastic source of vitamin C and contain several other vitamins and minerals in smaller amounts. They have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties and can help lower cholesterol. So it is safe to say that strawberries are a great addition to the balanced diet. Strawberries also offer skin benefits. The vitamin C, an antioxidant in strawberries, help fight free radicals, reduce skin inflammation, and promote collagen production. They can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. So next time you enjoy a bowl of strawberries, remember you're also giving your skin a treat. So whether you enjoy them fresh in a dessert or as a part of a savory dish, strawberries are sure to delight. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Trends in the World for more fascinating content, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until then, stay curious, stay informed.